Good morning.
Morning.
And welcome to Lisbon. And today from Iona we've arrived in Lisbon, so we're going to have a look around. We have been before, but we'll show you some of the sights on this, I would think, quick video on Lisbon. So,
Lots of links.
yeah,
The
well,
previous one.
lots of links, yeah, probably up here somewhere or down here, or well, anyway, or in the description. So we're just going to show you around, and I know there'll be a link to the Christmas market, and I know that we made previously, and a link to the full Lisbon tour from before. Anyway, we'll see you soon. Well, at least the sun's out and the sky's got a few clouds in it, but it's relatively blue. And it's a nice day for walking, which is a good job because that's what we'll be doing. It was only about a year ago that we were here. So I guess the place won't have changed that much. But to me it'll all be new because I've forgotten. Oh dear. The wonders of getting old. Ooh. There you go. Anyway, let's see what we can find today. As the sun moves around on that one, with all the pyramids sticking out the wall, I assume it makes it change throughout the day. These are tour groups. One thing I'd forgotten about Lisbon is it's hilly. Very hilly. A beautiful city. Some lovely old quainty shops. Again, the great steel lift. And the Christmas market. If you want to watch a vlog on the full Christmas market, then there is a link in the description. So this is the food Christmas market. Waffles and pastries and pies, sandwiches, pretzels, sausages. I'd say it smells good, but I'd be lying. This smells right, it smells fruity. Anyway, move on. So the big Christmas market, the Christmas stalls here in Lisbon. Oh, the sun has come out, it's a beautiful day. Well, I'm a bit shocked. Somebody just came over and offered to sell me, went, "You want marijuana?" "No." "You want cocaine?" Speak into the microphone, please. Say I do. Oh, Yeah, a bit beyond me. Carrying a camera and a mic and comes and blatantly wants to sell dope. But I think I'm in the wrong Christmas market here. Bloody hell. Ladder. I must look like a junkie. Well, it's the hat.
I blame the hat, yeah.
Nova Scotia. Oh, Church of Trouble and Strife. That was a splendid sign once upon a time. Unfortunately, it's been done over. A shame. And then we've got the Theatero, all the kids going. Lisbon is a big city. Didn't see any of this last time we were here. The street is all Hugo Boss and Louis Vuitton and Rolex, Gucci. All the poshies. Let's go. Giant Portuguese flag. Big Emirates flight coming in. The airport must be very close to Lisbon.
We made it.
Yeah, we made it. Wow, that were a walk again. But what a view. Those gardens down the middle. Brilliant. Great view. Yes, I've got a flag growing out my head. What we've got here is Winter Wonderland. Closed during the day, I think. Be nice on a night. Kiddie winkies, fun fair and stalls and stuff. Yeah. So I assume it's a route through Winter Wonderland. Big enough, it goes down two sides and there's an ice rink in the middle. So the other end at Fun Fair's over that side.
That's nice, a Christmas roundabout.
Yeah. Busy enough, you think they'd open. So there's certainly a lot of things. If you come for a Christmas break to Lisbon, then there's several markets, including food markets. So you've got this winter wonderland. Yeah, well, for anybody, I guess. Although there is huge turnstiles and queues for everything. Yeah, goes up both sides of the park. That's quite good. And that's what you need to get up that bloody road. Castle up on the hill there. Am I going? No.
Are you sure?
Positive. Unfortunately, it shall have to wait for another day on a return visit to Lisbon. But I do like this building. I don't know what it is, but it is very nice. So in fact, we've discovered this is the train station. What a building for a train station. Fabulous. It's on the shopping centre. Don't worry, I'm not going to do a shopping centre video.
Aren't we all relieved about that one?
Yep, everybody's relieved. Please comment below. Do you like shopping centre videos? Would you like to see more of them? You can always make more. Please comment below. So, back in the seafront square. Another lovely day in Lisbon. I think you could probably spend a week here and find new places to explore constantly. So it's been another lovely day. Not been disappointed at all for our second visit. So as I say, thoroughly recommended, thoroughly enjoyed it, lovely city. Been to different places today that we didn't go last time, so the video's probably a little bit longer than I thought it might be. Last video we explored more of the old city. This time we explored the kind of main part of the city and the park. So yeah, very nice. So we'll see you on the next one. Till the next time, bye.